Ever feel like you're unstoppable when starting a new goal, but then weeks later, you completely lose motivation? Why does this happen? And more importantly, how can you stay consistent long enough to actually succeed? The truth is, motivation isn't enough. But by understanding the psychology behind it, we can hack our brains to stay consistent and achieve any goal. The psychology of motivation. How to stay consistent and achieve any goal. The motivation problem. Why we lose drive. Motivation comes from dopamine, our brain's reward chemical. But here's the problem. Dopamine works best with instant rewards. That's why scrolling TikTok or gaming feels easier than studying, working out, or building a business. Your brain craves what feels good now, not what benefits you later. The 3 types of motivation. 1. Extrinsic motivation, external rewards. 2. Intrinsic motivation, internal drive. 3. Identity-based motivation, becoming your future self. Instead of saying, "I want to run," say, "I am a runner." Your brain then works to prove that identity true. The science of staying consistent. Your brain loves progress. Use habit trackers, streaks, or small rewards to turn self-improvement into a game. Step 1. Gamify your goals. Step 2. The 2-minute rule. Step 3. Temptation bundling. Pair something fun with something productive, like listening to audiobooks while exercising. Step 4. Track progress visually. Why people quit and how to prevent it. 1. Unrealistic expectations. Change takes time. Instead of massive goals, aim for 1% improvement daily. 2. No accountability. 3. Lack of a clear plan. Final takeaway. Motivation is like a spark. It gets you started, but systems and habits keep the fire burning. Now, it's time to take action. Comment below. What's one goal you're working on right now?